BLNK Charging, a leading owner, operator, and provider of electric vehicle charging equipment, has announced plans for a new referral cooperation agreement with Athena, the vehicle electrification arm of ZEVx. The new partnership will expand BLNK's potential market share through referrals from ZEVx, existing and future fleet clients. Arizona-based ZEVx provides conversion solutions for fleets looking to electrify their current vehicles. This helps companies avoid long lead times for new vehicle platforms. Utilizing LG batteries for their conversions, ZEVx offers a lower-cost option for fleets that wish to go electric with readily available battery packs. BLNK, meanwhile, offers a number of EV fleet charging solutions, including innovative hardware and management software that connects vehicles, drivers, and EV chargers. Jeremy Watrous, BLNK Charging Senior Manager Automotive of OEM Business Development, commented, "It's exciting to cooperate with a company that is electrifying and converting internal combustion engines up to 10 years old and still on the road today." The BLNK Network Open API will allow the company's charging locations to be integrated into the ZEVx dashboard of the owner's vehicle, which will inform drivers of the nearest BLNK charging location. With over 48,000 charging ports across 19 countries deployed to date, BLNK enables EV drivers to easily charge throughout the world. The BLNK network uses proprietary, cloud-based software that operates, maintains, and tracks the EV charging stations connected to the network. Shares of BLNK Charging trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BLNK. For more information, visit www.greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Greenstock News for the new green economy. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you click on the subscribe button.